is Amazing Builders Club. I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. So, follow me into the Amazing Builders Clubhouse, and let's get started. All right, Amazing Builders, let's jump right in to this week's Building Challenge. This week, I challenge you to build a pyramid. A pyramid is a monumental structure. It has a square or triangular base, sloping sides, and a point on the top. Most people have heard of Egypt's pyramids of Giza, but there are also pyramids in places like Spain, Italy, Cambodia, and Mexico, and many other places all over the world. Take a look at these real-life and kid-built examples. Remember, you can complete the weekly building challenge in any way that you can imagine and using any materials that you want. That means you can use Lego, blocks, household materials, craft supplies, recycled materials, materials you collected in nature, or real building materials. How you build is up to you. All right, Amazing Builders, it's tool tutorial time. For this week's tool tutorial, we're checking out pliers. There are many different kinds of pliers, and they're used for many different things. For example, these pliers are called needle nose pliers. They're used for getting into small, tight spaces that other larger tools just can't get into. Imagine you dropped a screw somewhere and your fingers won't fit and your big pair of pliers can't get in there. You can use needle nose to get into hard-to-reach places. These pliers are called side cutters. They're used for cutting wire. Check it out. Well, Amazing Builders, that's all I had for you this week. Complete the weekly building challenge and share your work. Upload a photo to the commenting section under this video. Create a post with a photo or video and tag the library. You could also share your work by direct messaging us on social media or emailing us a photo at library@greenhurst.ca. I can't wait to see all of the amazing creations that you came up with. Also, remember to take a peek at the description for this week's video. You'll find additional information and resources pertaining to the weekly building challenge and tool tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. As always, I'm Jen, and thank you for tuning in to the final episode of our Amazing Builders Club. Bye, everyone. A special thanks to my dad, Tyler, for lending me his tools, sharing his knowledge with me, and ultimately helping me to create these videos. Thanks, Dad.